I'm Yashwant and today I'm going to give you a quick guide on Python list compressions. They are a powerful feature that allows you to create lists in a more concise and readable way. Now, first let's see the gist about how or the agenda how we are going to learn about it. First we'll be learning about the list compressions, then we'll have a basic example and let's try upon adding some conditions, and at the last we'll conclude about the list comprehensions. Okay, so what exactly are list comprehensions? In Python, a list comprehension is a compact way to create lists. The basic syntax looks like this. As you can see, it is represented in a square bracket. Yeah. Now, this allows you to generate a new list by applying an expression to each item in an iterable with an optional condition to filter items. Now, let's move on to a basic example. Let's suppose we want to create a list of squares for the numbers from 0 to 9. Instead of using a traditional for loop, we can do it in one line. As you can see in the example, we can give it as squares is equal to x star star 2 for x in range 10. So basically what this indicates is from 0 to 9 we're gonna give the squares. When we print squares we get the below mentioned output. As you can see, this is the output. Moving upon to the next slide, we will add upon one condition. So now let's add the condition. What if you only want the squares of even numbers? You can modify our list comprehension like this. It's the same syntax, but we are gonna add an if condition and give the square root squares of only even numbers. So when we print even squares, we get 0, 4, 16, 36 and 64. So this is how we are gonna add a condition to a list comprehension. In conclusion, list comprehensions are a fantastic way to create lists in Python efficiency. List comprehensions are a powerful feature in Python and they help you write cleaner and more efficient code. Hope you like this video.